1.8 pounds chicken wings. Cut in half. One and 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 liter of water. Mix well. Let it sit for 20 minutes. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons of banana ketchup or tomato ketchup. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of chicken powder or magic sarap. Mix well. Seven tablespoons of unsalted butter or margarine. Mix well. Set aside. 20 minutes later. Drain. Heat the cooking oil. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter or margarine. Sear chicken wings on both sides until golden brown. Season with salt and pepper. Add the sauce. Cover for 2 minutes. Add 3/4 cup of pineapple juice, unsweetened. Cover and cook for 5 minutes, low heat. Continue cooking over low heat until sauce thickens. Stir occasionally. Continue cooking until the sauce is caramelized. Wow, delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.